A 10-day celebration of art, music, and food kicks off today at the Art Gallery of Hamilton. Here with more from the gallery is Celia Vernal. Tell us all about the festival, because it looks like it is going to be so much fun.
Thank you so much. Yes, this is one of my favorite parts of my job, planning this festival. It's such a cool way to bring the community together. I mean, three things that bring people together is always art, music, and food.
Totally.
I mean, how can you not enjoy those three things? And the programming throughout the 11 days uniquely ties these three things together. I mean, creating art with food. We're going to be painting with chocolate. We're going to be painting with wine.
Okay, all right. Whoa. I was all excited about the painting with the chocolate part. Now you're telling me we're painting with wine too?
Oh, yes, definitely. So, I mean, there'll be wine to sip, but there'll be wine to paint with as well as a paint medium.
And it's like every day has something unique to offer. So it's kind of like one day we're doing the painting with the chocolate. One day we're doing painting with the wine. Now, and it's also a family-friendly event.
Absolutely. We have something for every age, every interest. Every price point. Some things are free, some things are ticketed. We have a family fun day drop-in that families are welcome to come to and make some art.
Is that on the Sunday?
That is on the Sunday.
Yeah,
yes.
Family Day is the 17th. I totally forgot about Family Day. It's coming up next Monday, so a lot of kids will be off school, but Sunday is going to be the day to come.
Yes, and then we have a comedian doing art tours throughout the gallery, which will be a very unique perspective.
So, like cracking jokes as we're going through and looking at the art?
Absolutely. I mean, art doesn't have to be so, straight-faced and serious all the time. I mean, it's meant to make you think, but there's humor in it too.
It's true, and like sometimes art galleries can seem a little bit intimidating for that reason. Like you see it in the movies and everyone's just standing there like with their hands behind their back being like, yes, lovely, yes. But that's great. I love that aspect of it. Okay, let's talk a little bit more about the food. So we've got wine, we've got chocolate, and I know this isn't edible, but what's going on with the big pizza?
Oh yes, so Hamilton Craft Studios has actually put together a community project for us. So any day throughout the festival, we're free admission, by the way. Anyone can come in and create a topping with textiles to add to this pizza. So by the end of the 11 days, there'll be this huge pizza that everybody has made a topping for.
I love that. That is so fun. Now, why do you think the AGH is important for our community? I mean, there's the obvious of, well, it brings people together, but let's go a little deeper than that.
I mean, there's so many creative minds within Hamilton. It's not just about like the visual artists. As I mentioned, there's a lot of other creative aspects of businesses and community organizations that we're able to work with in a festival like this. So I think that's the most important thing for me for this festival, is being able to really highlight what is happening in Hamilton and bringing that into the doors of the gallery.
The fashion show looks really fun.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Like it's unique, fashion designers and artists from Hamilton coming together to showcase their unique style.
Yes, 5 designers throughout Hamilton, Blackbird Studios, Ashes, Icarus. There's a whole bunch that will be really highlighting their new collections, and the models will be rocking some really stylish things.
That's so cool. Okay, so I was just briefly on the website and gained all of this information. So again, tickets, it's free admission to come to the art gallery.
Absolutely.
But to participate in some of the individual events, you do have to pay a fee.
Yeah, some events are free. Like some of the tours, there's an artist talk happening on next Thursday, so you can put a face to the name or a face to the artwork.
That's cool.
So things like that are free, and then yes, some of the workshops and the other bigger events are ticketed.
Okay.
But all the information is definitely on our website, aghfest.com.
Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us. It's been a pleasure, as always, to visit with you. You got to check out this festival. It's going to be tons of fun. Lots of family-friendly events, art, music, food happening at the Hamilton Art Gallery.